Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Tuesday, August 19. A cabinet subcommittee headed by the Minister of National Security has been established to develop a strategic response to the treatment of persons in lockups and correctional facilities. This was announced in a press release issued by the Office of the Prime Minister on Monday. It revealed that over the next few days, the Security Minister would also review a revised lockup administration policy received from the Acting Commissioner of Police. The policy contains new arrangements pertaining to the care and protection of persons in police custody. It's also in keeping with Minister Peter Bunting's directive to the Police High Command to undertake an immediate and comprehensive review of all procedures and arrangements governing detention. In the meantime, Minister Bunting has received a status report on the number of persons in police custody as at Friday, August 16. In a related matter, the National Security Minister has called for collective responsibility in dealing with crime. Using the recent case of Mario Dean as an example, the minister says all sectors of society have a duty to act to maintain law and order.
Blame is easy to give, but what are we all doing as individuals to ensure that the society continues moving? What are we doing as congregation to ensure that we have not just prayer, but praying feet to intervene in a very real way?
Minister Bunting was speaking on the weekend at the 16th annual Back to School Fair staged by the Hope Gospel Assembly.
For the kids, I really encourage you to continue what you are doing. Stay in school. You are 6 or 7 times more likely to end up in a gang if you drop out of school. And if you end up in a gang, you're many times, at least 10 times more likely to end up in prison or end up dead.
During the book fair, about 150 children from preschool to high school were awarded scholarships and issued school supplies. And still on security, Minister Bunting has commended the Firearm Licensing Authority, the FLA, for clearing the backlog of applications and reducing the application processing time from about 3 years to 6 months.
They've seen approximately a tripling of the number of monthly applications coming in, and they have to deal with this essentially with the same staff that they were before. So there'll be continuing pressure to improve operations, increase efficiency, increase your process re-engineering to continue to satisfy clients.
Minister Bunting was speaking at the official opening of the new offices of the FLA at 91A Old Hope Road.
This new headquarters with more spacious offices to accommodate all staff is also expected to further improve the quality of service delivery by the FLA and provide a more comfortable experience for clients.
Over the past few years, the FLA has established an office in Montego Bay, introduced a high-security identification card system, and recertified licensed firearm holders. Industry Minister Anthony Hilton says there is need for a central export facility that can consolidate production and provide the quality control to help Jamaica earn more from the global ornamental fish industry. The minister says the country has the potential to earn well-needed foreign exchange from the ornamental fish export market, which is valued at $400 million. Residents of Western St. Andrew were recently given the tools to tap into the lucrative industry under the Collaborate to Prosper project. Funded by the United States Agency for International Development, it facilitated the establishment of ornamental fish farms and the training of fish farmers. At the recent closeout ceremony, Minister Hilton said $1 million from the Constituency Development Fund would be granted to the Competitiveness Company to support the effort.
It is expected that this effort will contribute towards microenterprise development.
And finally, Minister of Youth and Culture Lisa Hanna has encouraged the nation's youth to seek out the teachings of the island's first national hero to learn about the importance of courage and embracing their identity.
If nothing else, let us reflect on Garvey today and move with deliberate speed to leave nothing to chance in our work, in our personal relationships, in our devotion to God, in our patriotism, in our belief that we are our brothers and our sisters' keepers. We must never leave these values to chance.
The minister was speaking Sunday at a floral tribute celebrating the life and work of Marcus Garvey on the 127th anniversary of his birth. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.